In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to get evolution charts in Clash Royale. Let's get started. To get evolution charts, you mainly need to focus on in-game events and progression rewards because they are not something you can farm freely like regular cards. The most reliable way is through the season shop, where you can spend season tokens earned from battles and events to buy evolution charts when they appear in rotation. You can also get them from the past royal, especially the premium tier, which often includes charts or related evolution progress rewards. Special events and limited time challenges are another important source, as Supercell frequently adds evolution charts as milestone rewards in those modes. Occasionally, the in game shop may also offer shard bundles or deals, so it's worth checking daily. On top of that, lucky drops and seasonal updates sometimes includes shards as zero rewards, so staying active and playing regularly increases your chances. Overall, the key is consistency. Play events, collect tokens, and check the shop and pass rewards often because evolution shards are designed as a slow progression system rather than a quick unlock. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.